Hi, so this is a video on the gas cap for the Porsche 911. This is a 997 Carrera S. I got this aluminum Porsche gas cap, and it's pretty cool. It is not real aluminum. It's actually painted, I guess, to look like aluminum. But you know, it looks cool, and it attaches the same way as the regular plastic one, which is right here. Rather cheap looking, original gas cap with the tether, and it attaches in the same manner. So they basically give you, with this cap, the plastic tether, the rubber. It's really easy to install. Actually, all you do is you take a little pin and you can hammer that center of that pin out, and then it just basically pops out the back, and then this thing comes up. It's a pop rivet, and then the new one comes with, you know, an extra one of these, so you can attach it to the cap and then install it. And it looks pretty cool, I think. Anyway, it's very simple, and hope that helps if anyone's trying to look for a similar cap. I think it's about $150 from the dealership to purchase it. All right, hope you enjoyed the video.